So it is dawn with For Grace Creations, and I've got a mess. I came across, well, I should say I was gifted, all these little jars full of brads and eyelets, and they're just, and there's frogs and butterflies and music notes and lips and, I mean, all different colors and sizes, and just look at all this fun stuff. So what am I doing? Well, I'm putting together packs. I thought I'm gonna share. I'll take out some for myself, but then I'm taking little Ziploc baggies, and I'm gonna count 60 in each one, and then just throw more in. Because I will never in a million years use all of these. And when I was looking for fun ones, I had a really hard time finding them. And when I did find them, they were really expensive. So, oh my gosh, look, a teeny tiny button. Do you see that right there? I don't want to drop it. Anyway, oh my gosh, there's a flamingo, there's hearts. I know there's butterflies and flowers, and I saw frogs and ladybugs. There are circles, there's huge, there's little, and down in the bottom is all different sizes and styles of eyelets. I mean, what do we got here? A flower. We have big pink. What's this? Is that a unicorn? That's a pig. This is a silver. It says sweetie in pink. So I just thought that I would let you know what I'm doing, so that you could head to my Ko-fi shop and see what kind of fun things you might like to get your hands on. I mean, I've got yellows and oranges and, whoa, greens, blues, blacks, silver, bronze. Let's see what we can find. Yeah, there's gold. Look, there's a little tulip. There's sunflowers, little daisies, smiley faces, and some of them are brads and some of them are eyelets. Oh my gosh, there's shorts. Oh yeah, baby bottles. There's pumpkins, gourds. There's a little orangey peach mixture. I just call it oranges. And there's this, all different sizes of, oh my gosh. Do you see all those eyelets and brads in tiny sizes? And I haven't gone through them all. So I'm just putting together little baggies of different, basically I'm separating them into colors so that I can do a baggie that has red, orange, and yellow, a baggie that has different blues, and then I'm also going to put, I'm going to get these little tins, and this won't be for about a week, but I've got these tins that I ordered so I can put mixture of all the colors in there, and then you can buy the tin, and it'll be this cute little holder, kind of like this little box here. It'll be on a hinge so that it won't just fly open on you. But, oh, look what just fell out. Another brad. And anyway, so for now, I can get you a mix. It'll be in a baggie. But let me see if I can find in the red. There's the flower. There's a stop sign. There were, oh my gosh, you're gonna love this one, look. French fries. Butterflies. Let's see. Oh, yes. More lips. Somewhere I saw footballs. There's a creepy guy. Luckily, there's only one of him in this mix. There's little hearts that look like Alice in Wonderland hearts. Yeah, guys, this is fabulous. Oh my gosh, there were light bulbs, and they're actually in many different colors. But let me show you the below. Isn't that cute? Mickey Mouse ears. There were little guys that look like cameras. There's a bathing suit down in there. You and me, and that one's a Brad. There's some that are fabric color covered. Here's another fabric one. Itty bitty gems. There are little things you hang from a Brad, like that one says journaling. Oh, there's the little white butterfly. Oh, that's right, and I forgot there's dragonflies and strands of bling. Let's see, that little guy says joy, one says faith. There were some that were a little bigger than this and said different things on them. These are large Brads. Let's look at the purple. I have not opened the purple yet. Oh yeah, there are some connectors in, I think, all the colors. You know, your bag may have one of these and someone else's bag may not. They're not all going to be identical, just because I do sit and separate and try and get you a little bit of everything fun. But let's say there was only one of these and one of these. Well, okay, one's going to go in one bag and one's going to go in the other, because I want everybody to get some fun. Oh my gosh, there's a little purse. There is a, oh, that butterfly is adorable. Dark purple. Oh, that's cute. Lavender in silver setting. Oh my gosh, fuzzy purple. A paint splatter. Oh yeah, see, like this butterfly here. I know there's one in the blue batch, but only one. And there was one in the yellow, one in the orange. And now there's one in the lavenderish color. Oh, I see a butterfly down in there. Where'd you go? Oh, there's another butterfly in a different purple. Oh, that's cute. What is this one? Hey, I go to grab things and they sink. Oh, it says gritty. Yeah, now you kind of have an idea. And I'll go ahead and put my Ko-fi link down in there in the description box so that you can go check them out. And I'm just going to sit here and work on doing these some more. If you have any special requests, like let's say, let's say you want red and black only. You're gonna need to send me an email for that and I'll see what I can do for you. All of the packets are gonna have little extras. And when I say extras, I mean, I'm finding things so they will not count in your 60 and above. Because honestly, what I do is I count to 60, trying to pay attention that, you know, you get fun little items. And then I just start kind of randomly picking other things, and then I'll add extras. But so like I've got, right now, I'm working on blue, and I have 3 blue bags started. Yeah. So there will at least be 60 pieces in each bag, and then an extra something. Here's one of the little extras. If I can grab it with my finger, goodness. There was a little gem in the shape of a heart. And then there's a blue safety pin. This is a lot to go through, but it's fun. Does anybody else enjoy looking through buttons and, you know, little things? I mean, you never know what treasures you're gonna find. Okay, I wish you were here to go through this with me and to see all the, you know, the pieces and colors. I mean, look at all the different shades of blue. It's crazy. I hope you have a great afternoon. And I forgot to do today's Bible verse. So let's do Ephesians 2, 8 and 9. It's all about grace. By grace you have been saved through faith, not of your works. It's a gift. It's a gift from God, guys. So thank you for your gift of friendship. Could you do me a favor? Could you click the little thumbs up button for me? That would be amazing. God bless you. Bye.